place where we can get together. Love Shack, baby. Love Shack, baby. Hey, lover. Been scrubbing up just for you.
Pete, as you know, I love you very much, but...
Are you breaking up with me?
Why don't you put on some clothes and let's discuss this?
I can't do anything right now.
Honey, I'm sorry.
I mean, what is going on? I love you. I love you. Why are you doing this?
Just put on some clothes.
If I do that, will you not break up with me? I'm sorry, I'm just... Oh, cat? Here come. I am in control. I'm in control. I'm fine. I'm fine. Let's talk. Why? Just tell me why.
Pete, as you know, I love you very much.
Yes, I know. You said that already, like, exactly in that tone.
But I felt for a really long time that we were growing apart and leading different lives. It's not that I don't love you, I do.
I love you too, like, so much.
And that's really sweet. But it's just that my love for you has changed.
Changed how?
Become weaker, like a lot weaker. It's like you're in the dock and I'm in the lake and I'm like, jump in the lake and you keep staying on the dock.
Well, I'll jump. I will jump in the lake.
I know you would. But it wouldn't be for the right reasons.
Why now?
Now is the time while your life is on the upswing. While this is hard for me, and I understand this might be even harder for you, and if you don't want to see each other for a while, I completely and totally understand.
Who's the other guy? Is there someone else? Who is it? Someone from the movie? Please tell me it's not Dax Shepard.
No, there's no one else. I would never do that to you.
Well, if there's no one else, then we still have a chance. I mean, if there's no one else, then we still have a chance.
I've thought about this for a really long time, sweetie.
I've been away for a long time, and you've just forgotten what we have, and I forgive you for that. But if I could just kiss you one last time, I swear you will remember.
I don't think it's a good idea.
Just please. I love you, baby. Don't you remember?
There's someone else. I should probably go.